As more states change their laws, many landlords are asking, can you actually ban marijuana use in your rental? The short answer is yes. Landlords can generally include a no smoking clause in the lease that specifically covers marijuana. However, you must distinguish between recreational and medical use, as medical circumstances may require specific legal accommodations. Hi everyone, I'm Alondra, the Senior Content Marketing Manager at Avail. In this video, we're going to break down the difference between medical and recreational laws, how to draft your lease, and the right way to handle renter complaints. Let's get started. Before we get into the solutions, there's a crucial what to know regarding the different types of marijuana. There is a major legal distinction between medical and recreational use. Recreational marijuana is used for personal enjoyment, similar to alcohol. Medical marijuana, on the other hand, is recommended by a physician to treat specific health conditions or symptoms. The main difference for you as a landlord is how the law treats them. If your state allows recreational use, you typically have the right to prohibit its use on your property through your lease. However, medical marijuana is often tied to disability rights. If medical marijuana is legal in your state, a renter may request a reasonable accommodation for a disability. But remember, even with a reasonable accommodation, federal laws still classify marijuana as a controlled substance. This is why it is vital to check your specific jurisdiction's websites for the most up-to-date information. Now that we covered that foundation, here's a step-by-step on how to manage marijuana use in your rental. Step 1. Clarify your lease language. Your best defense is a clear rental lease agreement. To protect your rental property, you can add a no smoking clause that includes specific language on marijuana. Due to these laws varying so much, we always recommend consulting a lawyer for specific guidance on your lease wording. Step 2. Address complaints the right way. If you manage a multi-unit building, marijuana smells can travel quickly and agitate other renters. If the use is recreational, address it immediately as a standard lease violation. Notify your renter of the complaint and remind them of the no smoking provision in their lease. However, if the use is medical, engage in a dialogue to see if there's a reasonable accommodation that works for everyone. This can look like allowing the medicine in non-smoking forms, like edibles, which don't impact other renters. Step 3. Document professionally. To document everything professionally, you should move away from verbal-only warnings. Use a dedicated rental property management platform or a professional email to log every complaint received and notice sent. If the issue persists after a warning, consider issuing a formalized lease violation. This creates a high-quality paper trail that shows you followed a consistent, fair process. At the end of the day, the key is to lead with professionalism and always establish a paper trail. If issues escalated to court, you'll need to prove you completed all the required steps. Additionally, ensure your lease agreement covers all the necessary areas from the start. By being clear about your expectations and documenting every complaint, you protect both your property and your other renters. For more information on leases and managing renter relations, click the link in our description. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos to help you landlord with confidence. Thank you for watching.